Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My little sister is getting married in a few weeks, so I thought I'd bring you guys along on our photo shoot. These two were an amazing couple to shoot with, and I'm really happy with the images we were able to make. And without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay, so the spot is beautiful, as you can tell. And so the wind actually created this nice little pattern in the sand. And since we don't want to ruin that and preserve that for the photos, we're trying to shoot here and push back so that we're ruining the area we already shot in. Let's keep going. I'll have you on this dune now. More to the right. Okay, so you can hold hands and then just kind of like look at each other, interact. Don't make it too cozy. This one?
Go like...
for now, don't worry about it. You can hold it down. I'm more so just getting a wide shot of you guys. Okay, so just look at each other, Hannah. Straight back, Hannah. Yep. Now look away. Straight face still. Okay, now face each other, smile. Okay, go for it. Walk.
With eyesight, she was like here, like on my lap.
Okay. So now the close-ups. So get close to each other. Your go-to, hey, we're taking a photo together. Okay, cool. Okay, look here. And smile. Good. Some with teeth. Good. Some without. Okay. You are just gonna lift your chin and try to get it out of the shot. Listen. But you are gonna look right at me. And then okay, higher.
Oh, it's so close.
Yes, it is. And then laugh into his shirt.
Ew!
That's cute.
It's way cute, Hannah.
Do another one. I'll make.
Looks really pretty as if we did that lens whacked. Okay, so we're gonna try lens whacking, which is a technique where you actually remove the lens out of the camera and hold it kind of like floating a little bit away. It creates like a really cool blur effect. Look at him again and laugh. That's not the worst thing.
Oh, I think that's beautiful. That's good. My phone.
Let's do that again.
Oh, full dress.
You don't have to. Okay, and then rotate. Rotate. Good.
You gotta hold on yourself.
Yeah, and lift up your. Yeah, there we go. That's better.
I'm trying. You're choking me.
Okay. All right, we're done with that. You're going to be leading her. It's not like she's behind you. Yeah. If you were to let it go and it drag, like in a negative, I don't want to do it way.
I can do it.
Okay. Don't walk very slow because like 2 feet in front of you is the money shot. That's the placement I like. So, but I need you in motion to make that right. Okay, ready? Go.
Thanks.
Okay. This is just more of a normal, just look at me, smile, shot. Aw, that's cute. Anna, you have here. Bend your arm. Not out, but like, yeah. Thanks. It was just like so straight, like, okay. Yeah. Now, opposite. Hannah, you look at him. Joey, you smile at me. No, same. Sorry. Just your heads. Everything else is good. And then turn and face me. Cool. Good. Yes, very good. Very symmetrical. And you're just gonna look at me. Good. And then look that way. Ooh, I got it. Go back. Stay.
longer.
Stay. Put your hand on her. Keith. No Keith. Okay.
Oh, I like those ones.
Okay. I mean, we're here, so let's try to think of anything else.
Run, run.
Okay. Wow.
Well, so here's what's happening. You both are running, and then
Oh, the camera's
Catch
turning.
up.
that, yeah.
So run slower a little bit.
John,
My other-
like actually be pulling him. Make sense? Okay, hold on.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching this behind the scenes shoot. My little sister actually reviewed some affordable wedding dresses from asos, A1 barbecue sauce, and found her dress for less than $130. So in case you're interested, I'll go ahead and link her video down below. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If it brought you value in some way, please leave a thumbs up, comment what kind of content you'd like me to teach next. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next weekly video. Bye!